Welcome back, people, to my channel. This is Chef Rudy, and we're gonna cook today some parrot fish. We're gonna steam that down with some nice seasoning with okra and onion, tomatoes, scallion, you name it. We're going in for this cooking, and it's gonna be a nice video. So just like, share, and subscribe to my video. It is Chef Rudy, and welcome to my channel. So let's get cooking, guys. So I got my peppers, onions, everything already cut up, carrots cut up, my fish there, washed down that, and I got my okra here. I'm just gonna start cut these now. There's some vinegar on there. Soak it in some vinegar. Wash on the inside. It's good. Fish nice and scaled already. We got two nice sized parrot fish here. Alright guys, so we're gonna add our dry season. So I'm going with some garlic powder. Get it all over. And then I'm gonna go with some onion powder. Let's get that all in there, inside. I'm gonna go with some onion powder over there, some black pepper. Of course, we gotta hit it with some salt. Some salt. Not too much salt. A little bit of salt there. anyone could prepare in 30 minutes. And we finished with our steamed fish. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna plate now, guys. So here we go. We got fish looking good. We got some rice on our plate, and we're about to take out one of those fish. We got some nice crackers in there. You gotta be careful because the steam is very delicate to pick up. So there we go, guys. And look at that, voila! And one another. Put some juice put in there. And there we have it, guys. A little bit of juice on your rice if you'd like that. All right. There you go, guys. There you have it. Maybe some crackers. A little bit of crackers on here too. Look at this, guys. Time to eat. And it's amazing. That's a nice Jamaican parrot fish, steamed fish. And there you have it. Ready to go. 30 minutes or less. For all you moms and all you busy working people in New York City, people who work in a busy city, look, 30 minutes you come home, you prep it the night before, and you can have some nice, delicious meal just like this right here. Looking so good, delicious. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Thank you very much.